Hello, my name is Jamie Irvin. I'm the host of the Heavy Duty Parts Report, and today we're starting a new video series talking about roll-ups and consolidation. Now, in the mid-1980s, we saw the emergence of buying groups, and this is where independent heavy-duty parts distributors that own their own stores, they started to come together into a group, and this gave them all kinds of benefits like being able to expand their buying power. Around 20 years ago, we saw a new kind of consolidation. And this is where private equity companies would buy a heavy duty parts distributor. And then through a process called roll up, they would start to buy up other independently owned parts stores, repair shops, and mobile repair companies. Now, this is called a roll up, and a roll up can be defined this way. It's a process used by investors, commonly private equity companies like the ones that own Truck Pro and Fleet Pride and others. And they buy multiple small companies in the same market. They acquire them and they merge them all together into one company. And the principal aim of the roll up is to reduce cost through a process called roll up and to achieve economies of scale. So that's the way that you can define roll up. So throughout the rest of this video series, when I talk about roll up, that's what I'm talking about. So not only have these parts companies been, like I said, buying up individually owned parts stores, they're also buying repair shops and they're buying mobile repair companies. If you listen to the big aftermarket parts companies, the ones engaged in roll-ups, you can hear a lot of things that they're doing that they feel are very good for the marketplace. But is it actually impacting the market in a positive way? Is consolidation and roll-ups good for our industry? Well, that's the question that we're going to tackle in this series. And we're really going to try to answer this one fundamental question. Do roll-ups make the end user the loser? If you'd like to be notified when the next video comes out, comment below, and I'll make sure that you get the information you need to subscribe so that you see all of the future videos. My name is Jamie Irvin. I'm the host of the Heavy Duty Parts Report. Thank you for watching this video. We'll talk to you very soon.
You can watch our next video. Make sure to click the like button, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.